Hello guys, this is a new soundbar from Denon. It belongs to the home system of Denon. It's totally wireless. You don't need any cables to connect it. This is the soundbar of the system. They call it Denon Home Sound Bar 550. This is the box. It has a nice handle. It's a compact soundbar. It connects to the Wi-Fi, to the network with the HEOS system. So it's a brand new product, and we're gonna do the unboxing here and to check what is inside. As you can see, plays all these services: Spotify, Dolby Vision, pass-through, Dolby Atmos. It's DTS:X. It's a nice soundbar and can be upgraded later if you like with wireless surround speakers. So we are doing the unboxing. We unstick this one and then we do this. And here we open the box. Inside is lying the soundbar, like this. So it's a compact one, it's not that a big one. Don't expect a huge soundbar, it's this one. This is the length. And what else we receive when we buy the soundbar? We receive a optical connection, quick start guide with all the details, how to set it up. This paper as well, safety instructions. And then from the other side we have the remote control, which is this one, very compact as well, but you can have the app if you don't like the remote control. Volume, bass, night mode, dynamic enhancer, auxiliary TV, HDMI, optical, and quick select. This is the remote control, very nice feeling. It's plastic, but it has a nice texture around. The company provides us with a HDMI cable to start our first connection with our television, and the power cable, of course. Then inside the box we found two brackets for the wall installation. They are elastic, if you don't like it underneath your television. So this is the sound bar. I believe it's 3.0 channels. Let's have a close look. You see it's covered with fiber around here, gray one. Denon, the name of the sound bar. It's Home Soundbar 550. You see the edges here are curved very well, and here is the brackets to hang it on the wall. On the top we have a display, and these are the inputs and outputs. As you can see, we have two HDMIs, one in, one out. Takes eARC, Ethernet. We can have Wi-Fi, we don't like to put a cable there for Ethernet. Connect, in order to connect the other speakers of the home HEOS system of Denon. Optical input, auxiliary in. Underneath we have this pad here and another from the other side, which is very thick and very well made in order to be very well stabilized on underneath your television. There are as well 4 elastic pads here for better stabilization. We're trying to do the deep unboxing here and to check inside the soundbar how it's made. We see the cabinet is for thick, strong plastic. The cable is very well isolated with this foam around. You see. And we have, as we say, two drivers on the one side with thick magnets, one tweeter on the edge. Then we have a base reflector here, passive radiator, you see it. Another the other side, and then here we repeat the same pattern, two full range drivers, mid range they say, and one tweeter there. Very well made. And then on the back, you see here on the back, we have a passive radiator as well. So let's have a panoramic look. Here is the inside of the sound bar. One channel, two channels, and the passive reflectors there. 1, 2, 3. Twitter. And here we have the electronics. The switching power supply is there. The electronics are based on very well known AV amplifiers from Denon receivers. They have strong CPUs, processors like this SARC from Analog Devices. They have Panasonic for the HDMI. All this board here is for the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. And here we have the antenna, probably you see the antenna. Is this well made for Hughes system? And here we have another heatsink. So it's very well designed and compact with technology. Yeah, here we have other antennas as well. Wi-Fi, you see BT antenna, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth antennas. And from the other side we have two more antennas here, two antennas here. So this is very strong wireless product. Here we have the power amplifier, the amplification. Here all this is for the amplifier. Underneath here I don't like to go beyond because there are a lot of boards, a lot of chipsets. So that was the deep unboxing of this wonderful sound bar, Denon Home Bar 550. So we started, we put on the power, you see the blue LED is flashing, looking for the network. This is the display. It's a touch one. It has a sensor, a proximity sensor here that goes on, you see. On, off. So now we have to download the HIOS app in order to start playing something. This soundbar has AirPlay too. If you like to add a subwoofer, you can add it externally. Here we're listening to that music, soundbar. It's very powerful, huh?